Morning, y'all. So I'm starting this new routine. So pretty much is I will be waking up around 5 a.m. I just dropped my phone. So I'll be waking up around 5 a.m. every morning to get my day started, because my daughter, she wakes up around between 7 and 7:30, and I just want to get the day started. I'm not good with this vlogging, but I do want to do a weekly vlog. And right now I'm going to clean the house up. If I'm looking down, I'm looking at the camera. I'm going to clean the house. Hold on, my baby is crying. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So she soothed herself back to sleep, and I have to remember looking the lens. I keep looking at myself, but anyway, so I'm about to go ahead and get started. So yeah. So she just woke up. It is almost 8 o'clock. I managed to do the dishes, clean her bottles, clean the living room, and yeah, and then she's up. I had a late start because I was originally supposed to get up at 5. However, once I moved, she felt me move and she just wanted to wake up. So I had to lay with her a little bit longer to get her back to sleep and give her a bottle. So I actually didn't start getting up. She looked at me like, who are you talking to? I actually didn't start getting up and ready to clean or do anything until y'all seen it was like a little after 7, I think. So anyway, I'm about to change her, put her on some clothes, do her hair, and then put her in her playpen to play. And then hopefully around that time, yeah, I don't know. We'll see how it goes after that.
Thanks for singing and dancing with me. If you have time,
Hi.
please click that like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you
Say, look at me with my 4 piggy tails.
Corner merch, check out
Girls,
our website,
say hi.
www.gracie'scornertv.com. Thanks again
Look.
for the support. Gracie's Corner.
Let me show you what we're watching.
Hey, have you met the Finger family? The Finger family.